Hello everybody, welcome to GIS Pathshala, Grade 7, Social Science, Social and Political Life. Now our topic is how the state government works. See, in our India we have seen there is three tier structure of government: district level, state level and national level. District level means the gram panchayat, below that whatever is coming, taluka, gram, all is coming, so that one is there. Then state level is there and national level is there. So three tier government system is there. So now today we are going to see about how the state government works. State means Gujarat is a state and state government works. Now see some event in the Patlampuram. See, it is given the event in the Patlampuram. What we can see that they are talking. Look at this. It says that there is a water shortage in the state and people are falling sick. See, water shortage is there and people are falling sick like this. It is given in the paper they are reading. After that, what the girls are saying. In many villages, people were found to be drinking unclean water. Streams have dried up and to have tanks. In the worst affected areas, villagers have been carrying water across great distances. See, now the girls are reading something and they are saying that the majority are facing the water problem. People are going far away for carrying the water also. Such type of problems are there. Now further what is given, people at the district headquarter of Patlampuram receive water supply once in 3 days. The district hospital there is overflowing with patients, a large number of whom are children with acute diarrhea. See, the people of the Patlampuram receive water supply once in 3 days. In after 3 days, once in a 3 days they are getting the water. Because of the water shortage, they are not able to maintain the cleanliness in the all. Water problem is there and they are suffering. Children and people are suffering from the diarrhea, and mostly women and children are there in the hospital suffering from diarrhea. Now what it is given on the TV news, they said that people have died from diarrhea. Is that possible? Can one really die from this? Yes, the one girl is too much thinking. She is so shocked that how because of diarrhea people are dying. Because of diarrhea is a such type of disease, because of that the people are losing their life. Okay, my mother, she told that my mother said not to have any ice drink from the market. She gave one of the lecture this morning and she said that because of all these things, my mother is saying me that don't drink anything from the market, any cold drink or anything from the market, and she gave a lecture on this. Like that she is saying. After that what happened, the road is blocked due to the rally. They have gathered the MLA's residence. So many people gathered near the MLA residence and they have took out the rally. Why? Because they want something, they want their MLA to do work. And we demanded that the authorities take immediate action to bring a public health situation under control. See, because of the water supply and all things, the public health situation is not under control. So they wanted their MLAs to do something for this situation, to take out public from such type of situation and see something for the health related problem of the people. Now see, who is MLA? MLA stands for Member of Legislative Assembly. They are elected by the people. See, this member is who are the MLAs? They are elected by the people. Then they become member of the Legislative Assembly and also from the government. Also from the government. In this way, we say that the MLA represents people. Every state in India has Legislative Assembly. Each state is divided into different areas. Now see, MLA is a such type of person. Suppose in class, in normal simple thing I am explaining you. Suppose in class one person is there, head of your class, and he is the count. Whatever problem you are facing, you should say to the head, and he is representing in the office, suppose to the principal or to the management. So again and again you are saying to that person, please do something. Suppose the fan is not working in your class. In summer season is there, all are feeling very hot in the class. So you are saying to the your head that you should go, you should complain in the management, you should talk with principal, whatever is the matter, but you solve the problem and put one new fan or repair this fan so we can not suffer from this hot. So like that, the MLAs are there. The problem of whole area is there, village is there, they are saying to the MLA. MLA is the representative of the people. MLA is the representative of the people means वो people का लोगों को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, लोगों की कोई भी तकलीफ है कुछ भी है तो वो वहाँ पे रखने जाता है. ऑल द पीपल कैन नॉट गो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट शोज दैट the state of Himachal Pradesh is divided into 68 assembly constituencies. From each constituencies, the people elect one representative who then become the member of the legislative assembly. You would have noticed that people stand for elections in the name of different parties. This MLA therefore belong to different parties. Now you can see this is the picture of Himachal Pradesh is given. All these different constituencies are there. From all constituencies, one MLA is there. Suppose here I am saying the 11 number is there. This small area is 11 number. So from that area, from that constituency, one MLA should be there. And the MLAs, what the MLAs are doing, what are the, from each constituency people elect. People are electing the representative who becomes the MLA. People are electing one person as a representative, and that person is becoming the member of legislative assembly. You would have noticed that the people stand in election. See, from different parties, people stands in election. Many times you have noticed this person is from BJP, this person is from Congress. So like that, from different parties, the persons are representing, and in the state they stand in the election. How do people who are MLAs become minister or chief minister? See, a political party whose MLAs have won more than half number of the constituencies in a state can be said to be in a majority. See, a political party. Suppose in 64 constituencies are there, from that 40 constituencies BJP won, means BJP won, then they can say to be in majority. The political party that has the majority is called the ruling party. Those who are the political party got the majority, it is counted as the ruling party, and all other members are called oppositions, and others are the oppositions. Other parties are called the opposition. For example, Legislative Assembly of State Himachal Pradesh has 68 MLA constituencies. See what is given. Candidates from the various political parties won the 2017 Assembly election and become MLAs. Since the total number of MLAs in the Legislative Assembly is 68, a political party would have needed more than 34 MLAs in order to gain majority. See, 68, what is given? 68 MLA constituencies are there. And if from the 68 MLA constituencies, at least more than 34 they should win, so that they can be the MLAs in order to gain majority. They can gain the majority. The Bharatiya Janata Party with 44 MLA had the majority, and it becomes the ruling party. See, those who are in majority, they are counted as the ruling party. The Indian National Congress was the major opposition party since it had less members. The majority is of this and the less members are there. After the election, the MLA belonging to the ruling party will elect the leaders who will become the chief minister. In this case, the BJP MLA choose Sri Jairam Thakur as the leader, and he become the chief minister. The chief minister then selected other people as ministers. After the election, it is the governor of the state who appoints the chief minister and ministers. The head of the state is government. See, now ministers are there, chief ministers are there. See, all the MLAs are there. MLAs are there. Suppose 44 MLAs are there with majority of BJP. From that 44 MLAs, they select one person as the chief minister. Chief minister rules in the states. He look after all the things in the state. Suppose present day in Gujarat, we can say Vijay Kumar Rupani is the chief minister. So he is seeing all the things in Gujarat. So like that it is there. After that, from other MLAs, they are making them as a different ministers. Suppose railway minister is there, education, railway is not coming. Suppose education minister is there, agriculture related work is there, health minister is there. All such things are coming. Other ministers they are appointing. And about that, one person is there, that is the governor. Governor is coming from the state government. Government is the head of the state, is the government. Government is coming. He or she is appointed by the central government. Central government is means in normal language we can say जो दिल्ली से रहता है, दिल्ली सरकार हम बोलते, that is the central government. He is appointing one person to see the all the work in the state is going proper or not, like that, to ensure that the state government works within the rules and regulation of the constitution. A legislative assembly is a place where all the MLAs, whether from the ruling party or from the opposition, meet to discuss various things. See, in legislative assembly, all the members are there. Hence, some MLAs have dual responsibilities, one as a MLA and other as a minister. Sometimes some MLAs are getting dual responsibility, means double responsibilities of being an MLA also and being a minister also. So further things we will see how this minister and all things are working in the state. Thank you.